Is it your first trip to Italy and you want to visit Bologna and other cities in Emilia Romagna? Before you left, you can arrange your tour with me, telling me which are your passions and needs, and we can design together your perfect itinerary for 1 day or 1 week, depends on you. You can see whatever you want. Walking tour through Bologna, markets, museum, churches, shops, whatever. Fantastic experiences, a lot of fun. Make the most of your time in Emilia-Romagna with a local by your side. Maximize your time. Ferrari test drive, Lamborghini factory tours. Emilia is the land of fast cars and slow food. Cooking classes, food tasting, factory visit, farm visits, whatever you want. Just book, relax, enjoy. I'm here to welcome you.